Hey friends, so today I thought we would go through our letter drill and then we'll tap and blend some words. And remember these past couple of weeks we've been working on vowel teams. That means two vowels that are next to each other, but they only make one sound. And usually that's the name of the first letter. And it's the long vowel sound. So let's go through and see what we remember and then tap and read some words. All right, you ready? Let's go through our letters first. Ready to be my echo? All right, let's go. C, cat, k. Echo. C, cat, k. E, ed, e. Echo. E, ed, e. B, bat, b. Echo. B, bat, b. Y, yellow, y. Echo. Y, yellow, y. What sound does Y say? Y. Good job. F, fun, f. Bite your lip. F, fun, f. Voice is off. A, apple, ah. Echo. A, apple, ah. G, game, g. Echo. G, game, g. I, itch, I. Echo. I, itch, I. D, dog, d. Echo. D, dog, d. M, man, Echo. M, man, S, snake, s. Echo. S, snake, s. I hope you're being my echo. Here's a digraph. Ready? CH, chin, ch. Echo. CH, chin, ch. O, octopus, ah. Echo. O, octopus, ah. U, up, ah. Echo. U, up, ah. Ooh, here's the vowel team I was talking about. So I see A first. So let's listen for that long A sound. Ready? A, Y, play, A. Did you hear the long A? Let's listen. Echo. A, Y, play, A. Good job. Here's another vowel team. A, I. It's also going to say the long A sound because the A comes first. Let's try it. A, Y, bait, A. Echo, did you hear it? A, Y, bait, A. We heard it in the middle. B, ate. So we'll see AI in the middle or the beginning of a word, and it makes the A sound, the long A sound. Oh, here's another vowel team. Ready? These are the screaming E's. Remember them? E, E, Jeep, E. Do you hear it? E, E, Jeep, E. Oh, here's another vowel team. E, A. Oh, so let's see. Which sound are we going to make? That's right. E is first, so we're going to say the long E sound. Let's listen. E, A, eat, E. Did you hear the E sound in eat? Let's try it. Echo. E, A, eat, E. Good job. Oh, here's our magic E. So let's say it. Ready? A consonant E says A, or A consonant E, safe A. Echo. A consonant E, safe A. E consonant E, Pete E. Echo. E consonant E, Pete E. I consonant E, pine I. Echo. I consonant E, pine I. O consonant E, home O. Echo. O consonant E, home O. U, consonant E, mule, you. Echo, mule, consonant E, mule, you. Oh, here's a digraph we see at the end of words. CK, sock, k. Echo, CK, sock, k. P, pan, p. Echo, P, pan, p. SH, ship, sh. Echo, SH, ship, sh. Oh, here's a glued sound. INK, pink, ink. Echo, INK, pink, ink. ING, ring, ing. Echo, ING, ring, ing. All right, so let's see if we remember. When there's an EE, it's called a vowel team. And when you will see EE in the middle or the end of a word. And remember, they're the screaming E's. So Jeep and feet. Do you hear the screaming E's in the middle of those two words? Let's see. Let's tap this out. Ready? Oh, do you see the screaming E's? Let's tap and read it. B, E, put it together. Bee, like a bumblebee. Let's try this one. Ooh, the screaming E's are in the middle. Let's tap it out. K, eep. Stretch it out. Keep. What's the word? Keep. Good job. Oh, let's try this one. Seen. Stretch it out. Seen. Good job. Oh, let's try this one. Eel. Stretch it out. Feel. Good job. Now we have another vowel team we talked about last week. The vowel team EA. We'll see EA at the beginning, middle, or end of a word. But remember, EA, when those vowel team, it only makes one sound. They say the name with the first vowel, like in seal and meat. Let's give it a try. Oh, you see the EA? Do you remember what sound? When you see EA next to each other, what sound is it going to make? That's right. E, like in eat. EA, eat, E. So let's give it a try. Ready? S, eat, seat. Good job. Let's try this one. Ready? E, L. What is it? Meal. Meal. I'm going to eat a meal. Oh, let's try this one. Eat. Neat. Good job. Oh, let's try this one. Read. Read. Oh, so now we're going to be listening for words. So let's look at this word. Toe. Toe. Now this is a ho. What sound do we hear in toe and ho? Do you hear the long O sound? Did O say its name? Toe, ho. That's right. We hear O at the end of both toe and ho. Let's see. What letters do you see that are the same in toe and ho? Do you see OE? Do you see them? And then guess what? What sound do you hear at the end of toe and ho? That's right. It says O. So when OE are next to each other, they're only going to make one vowel sound. And they're going to say the name, that long O sound. Toe and ho. OE will always be at the end of a word and it will say oh. So let's give it a try. Let's read some words together. Ready? J, O. Stretch it out. Joe. Good job. Oh, let's try this one. D, O, stretch it out. Dough. Nice. Oh, this means you're sad. Oh, stretch it out. Whoa. Good job. Oh, this is not a friend, but not an enemy. Oh, foe. Is he a friend or a foe? Is he a friend or an enemy? Oh, I hope we're all friends and we don't become a foe. Now listen to these words. Soap, boat. What vowel sound do you hear in soap? They also hear in boat. Do you hear the long O sound? Soap, boat. That's right. I heard O in those words. What letters do we see that are the same in soap and boat? Can you look? What do you see that's the same in soap and boat? Do you see OA? That's right. There's OA in soap and there's OA in boat. Now we know when we have two vowels next to each other, they're only going to make one sound. And usually that's the name of the first vowel. Ready? Soap. Oh, that's right. It made the name of the first vowel O. Let's try this one. Oat. The A didn't say anything. Just the O said its name. It was the long O sound. And we noticed that I saw OA in the middle of a word. So we would see OA in the middle or the beginning of a word. We will never see OA at the end of a word. That's OE's job, right? Let's give it a try. Ready? Do you remember what this says? O. So let's try it. Ready? O-f. Put it together. Loaf. Good job. Well, let's try this one. Om. Stretch it out. Rome. Good job. Well, let's try this one. Ode. Road. Good job. Let's try this one. Ode. Load. Good job. Ready? Oat. Goat. Ready? Oat. Coat. All right, last thing we're going to do is we're going to read some sentences. So I'm noticing I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words in this sentence. So let's see. Let's tap these sentences out. Ready? Id. Did. Oh, there's that OE. Joe. Where's a blend? Stub. Oh, here's a sight word. His. Toe. Let's see if we can read it smoother. Did Joe stub his toe? And I know this is a question because it sounds like a question and there is a question mark. Did Joe stub his toe? Ooh, I wonder if he did. All right, let's read one more sentence. Ready? Ooh, I see OA, and I know OA is going to say O. So ready? I know this sight word. A, b, oat, boat. Oh, there's a sight word. There's and. Can, float. Float. Ready? A boat can float. Nice job reading. Thanks, everyone. It was great working with you today. I hope everyone had fun, and I'll see you later. Bye.